you guys my sample outfit for today. And guys, I really love my crop top, guys. I buy this for only 30 pesos. 30 pesos, guys. OMG. It's so beautiful. Ayan, ang ganda niya, guys. Ayan, no. Ayan, pag napat siya, guys. I really love it. Super ganda niya, guys. Ayan, no. Grabe. Ayan, crop top na nabili ko, guys. 30 pesos lang. At saka itong palda, guys. Palda niya. Ayan, may fashion for today. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. Ang aking pangbahay today. Ayan, kakatapos mo nga lang po maligo, guys. Ayan. Ayan, super init ngayon dito sa Pinas, guys. Super init. And, pati ako, guys, nag-iinit na din. Ayan. So, tamang-tama itong nabili kong crop top, guys. Ayan. Ang fresh niya. Ang fresh niya na suotin, guys. Ang fresh niya. Kasi super init ang ating panahon ngayon. So, ayan. I feel so happy of my crop top na nabili, guys. Ayan. Yung aking fashion for today. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. So, ayan. Dahil sobrang init ng panahon ngayon, guys. Ayan, maglo-lotion na naman ako, guys. My favorite lotion. Yung aking collagen lotion, guys. Ayan. Para mag-shiny yung ating skin. Tsaka, ayan, for whitening ko siya, guys. At tsaka sun protection. Ayan. Ang ganda nito, guys, sa balat. Ayan, as you can see, guys, my skin. Ayan, guys, yung aking skin ay, ayan, become smooth. Tsaka, nag-whiten siya, guys. O, diba? Nag-whiten. Ayan, ang ganda. Feeling young na naman ako, guys. Feeling young and beautiful. Ayan, sa aking hair. Ayan, sa aking short hair, guys. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack naman talaga yan, guys. Ang bango. Ayan, ang bango, guys. Parang ako ang bango. Ayan, ang ganda, guys. I feel so beautiful today. Ayan, pack na pack naman talaga yung aking crop top na bili, guys. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa ako, guys, kasi 30 pesos na lang siya. Nag-sale na siya, guys. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. Ayan, bango talaga nitong aking lotion, guys. So, ayan. May collagen lotion na ginagamit. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda niya sa skin, guys. Very smooth. Tsaka, ayan. It can whiten my skin and it can replenish. Ayan. Tsaka, soothing siya, guys. Soothing and smooth. O, diba? Ayan. Ayan, tinitipid ko to siya, guys, kasi medyo mahal din siya. Ayan, konti-konti lang yung nilalagay ko sa aking skin, guys. Ayan, for sun protection lang. Ayan, so, ang bango. I really love it. Ayan, so that's it for today, guys. I'm finished. I'm finished, guys. Ayan. I feel so young today. Young and beautiful. Ayan, o, tsaka fresh tayo, guys. Kasi, ayan, bagong guli tayo. Bagong ligo. Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos. Bye!